In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install the Shopify Theme Kit, a useful tool for managing your Shopify store's theme efficiently. We'll guide you step by step through the process, ensuring you're well equipped to set it up smoothly. Let's begin at your Shopify homepage, the central hub of your online store. Here you will find a variety of options and tabs, but don't let this overwhelm you. Familiarizing yourself with these initial steps is key to a seamless installation. So, with your Shopify store open, direct your attention to the search icon typically found at the top of the page. Go ahead and click on it. This opens up the search bar, a handy tool for quickly finding various features and settings within your Shopify admin. Now, type in Theme Access in the search bar. By doing this, you're essentially instructing Shopify to locate and bring up all the options related to theme settings. It's an efficient way to navigate Shopify's extensive features. As you type, Shopify may start suggesting matches even before you finish. Be sure you select Theme Access from the list of suggestions to guide you to the correct setting. Once you've found and clicked on Theme Access, you'll be taken to a dedicated page where you can customize and control aspects related to your store's theme. This area is incredibly useful, as it allows you to invite collaborators, giving them access to tweak the theme. But today, our focus is installing the Shopify Theme Kit. Look for the section where the installation options are provided. This is usually straightforward to locate, marked clearly for ease of use. With Theme Access open, navigate to the section where the Shopify Theme Kit can be installed. It should be presented with a clear call to action, often labeled as Install or something similar. Click on this option to commence the installation. Shopify will likely prompt you with installation instructions or confirmations. Simply follow these cues. They're typically straightforward and designed with user-friendliness in mind. Congratulations on reaching this point. You've now successfully learned how to initiate the installation of the Shopify Theme Kit. It's a straightforward process once you know your way around the platform, and having access to this tool can significantly enhance your ability to manage themes more dynamically. If at any point you need assistance, or if the options aren't displaying as expected, don't hesitate to revisit this guide or consult Shopify's help resources. They're an invaluable guardian when navigating this platform. By following these instructions, you're well on your way to efficiently setting up the Shopify Theme Kit for your store, ensuring you're equipped with the right tools to enhance and customize your online shop with ease and flexibility. Thank you for tuning in, and happy selling on Shopify.